Kidneys. Kidneys are organs that filter waste from the blood and excrete them along with water as urine. The kidneys are located in the posterior part of the abdomen. There is one on each side of the spine. The right kidney sits just below the liver, the left below the diaphragm and adjacent to the spleen. Cranium. The skull is a bony structure found in many animals which serve as the general framework for the head. The skull supports the structures of the face and protects the head against injury. The skull can be subdivided into two parts, the cranium and the mandible. A skull that is missing a mandible is only a cranium. That is the source of a very commonly made error in terminology. Those animals having skulls are called craniates. Time to travel. Ship. A ship is a large watercraft capable of offshore navigation. A ship is a large vessel that floats on water. Ships are generally distinguished from boats based on size. Ships may be found on lakes, seas and rivers, and they allow for a variety of activities such as the transport of persons or goods, fishing, entertainment, public safety and warfare. Boat. A boat is a watercraft designed to float or plane on and provide transport over water. Usually this water will be inland or in protected coastal areas. However, boats such as the whale boat were historically designed to be operated from a ship in an offshore environment. Submarine. Submarine is a naval craft capable of operating for an extended period of time underwater. Submarines are almost always warships, although a few are used for scientific or business purposes. Chariot. Chariot is the earliest and simplest type of carriage and the chief vehicle of many ancient people. The chariot was known among the Babylonians before the introduction of horses. Helicopter. It is a type of aircraft with one or two sets of horizontally revolving blades. A helicopter is an aircraft that is lifted and propelled by one or two sets of revolving blades. The primary advantage of a helicopter is without moving forward, the helicopter takes off and lands vertically without a runway. Tractor. It is a vehicle which is used to plow fields in villages. It is often used as means of transportation in villages. Tractor is used in agriculture or construction. Most commonly, the term is used to describe the distinctive farm vehicle. Kayak. Kayak is a boat made of a light frame with a watertight covering. It is propelled by a double-bladed paddle in the hands of sitting paddlers. The kayak was used by the native Ainu, Aleut and Eskimo hunters in subarctic regions of northeastern Asia, North America and Greenland. Cable car. This is a means of transport mostly used in hilly areas. It is also called ropeway. It's fun and little scary to ride on it. They travel up and down the steep hills and grades of the city.